Hey, hello everyone. Day 203 here in Industrial Fabrication Company. It's a good end to the week. Very productive. We finished fit up on the large lifting frames, and now are getting these welded out and rocking and rolling. And so doing good. Not fully one piece flow, but we went from fit up, weld, drill, all in one go. That's great. And then kind of doing the same thing over here. So these are fit, but then we are welding and drilling in one sequence. So instead of what typically would have been 3 steps, have it separated down to 2. So getting there, getting better. So that's rocking and rolling. Got some continuing to do lots of quoting, getting quotes sent off, and I had a customer come by. They're inspecting some of the work we did for them, and all was good there, and that was great. All in all, just we're getting lots of work done. It's been cool too to see. So Jamie's been primarily the one welding these bases out, and he just keeps each one's a little faster, figuring out, hey, what works better, and where do we put these, what makes things line up, and each one's just getting a little better. So that's really cool to see. Today for going through kind of our process days, we were going through quoting process. And we spent almost a little over an hour today just going through like the different ways, kind of like our current state, or what's actually happening on how we quote and all the different things, and then kind of identifying what are areas we're missing, or what are areas where we're not consistent across the board on how all of us are doing it. And making sure, do we have valid information? Are there things that we're going to want later down the line that we could get now that we're missing? So that was really good to have all of us involved in that conversation. So then our plan for Monday is to go into what do we want, or what's our ideal current state, based on all the things that some of us do. Where should we be on that? Kind of identifying what we want our current state to be, which maybe you could define as our future state, but I think that's more looking towards improvements rather than defining a current standard. So that's really good, and ready to keep rocking and rolling next week. Sign off for now.